Boring browser getting you down? Chrome actually lets you customize everything from colors to full themes. Here's exactly how to do it. First, open Google Chrome. Click the three-dot menu icon in the top right corner, then select Settings. In the Settings page, look at the left sidebar and click on Appearance. This is your customization hub where you can change how Chrome looks and feels. Now, click on Theme to see your options. Chrome gives you two base modes, light and dark. To switch between them, simply select your preferred mode. Light mode is great for daytime browsing, while dark mode is easier on the eyes at night. Here's the fun part, you can customize the accent colors for either mode. Click on the color palette, choose any color you like, and watch your browser transform instantly. Your Chrome browser, fully customized to match your style. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. See you in the next one.